My name is Jackson Odle over here at Ayres Honda, just showing off some of the features in this Accord Touring. It is a top level trim. And today I'll be demonstrating the Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto works functionally the same way. First things first, all I have to do is plug my phone in. Down here we have our wireless charging pad. All you do is you tap this power button to enable it, and then just set your wireless capability, a phone with the wireless charging capability on it, and could have Bluetooth playing at the same time as that and still have your phone calls and music playing through the speaker system. So to enable CarPlay, first thing you do is just plug it right in right there. I can actually take my phone, set it down in here, and just put it all out of sight. And then over here on the screen, I will get a little button that pops up. I can touch that, and this is now functionally my phone's screen. Best thing about this is this has the upgraded sound in it.
Who are we calling?
Call Mom.
You have two phone numbers for contacts named Mom.
So I can have my phone calls be routed
Whom
through
shall
here,
I call for you?
as well as my text messages.
Would you like me to read your messages or compose a new one?
And I can also play my audiobooks through here as well. I'm currently listening to a book, The 10X Rule by Grant Cardone. All I have to do is touch that, plays it on my drive to work every morning. And if you have a lower trim level Accord that still has the CarPlay on it, you can run your Apple Maps through it as well. So if you don't have one with navigation, that can be a very useful feature. It is compatible with Google Maps as well if you are running an Android. Apple CarPlay also is integrated with the Honda Link app, so I can go ahead and touch the app on here. Every time I plug in my phone, it's going to pull up on my phone screen when my last maintenance was. If I have an oil change coming due, it will sync everything up with the car. There's a lot more in depth you can go on the Honda Link app, and that would be something for a later time, but that is what is displayed up here as well. Overall, that is the gist of Apple CarPlay. It's compatible with many other apps, some of which I don't have, like Pandora and iHeartRadio. But it's an awesome feature, and I personally don't even use the Bluetooth now that I have that.